Hi everyone, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to talk about how to handle the JSON token in the front end for client side. As you can see that after I logged in with my information, the header wasn't updated. So today we're gonna handle this part. First, let's look at the code on the server side. After user use correct information to log in, a JSON token will be generated and sent back to the front end. Okay, first let's go back to our client auth service component. First, add the decoded token into the field. Next, let's add a private method save token to handle the JSON token sent back from the server side. This method will decode our JSON token from a server side, also add the token into our local storage. The first one is used for authentication for users to do the future requests to the server. The second one is used locally for the front end to handle user information. Now we're going to create another three methods. The first one is to monitor the expiration time for the JSON token by using moment package. The get username method will be used for the header to display the username after the user login. So the logout method is used to remove the user information from the local storage after the user logout. It also assigns a new decoded token to our browser. Don't forget to create a decoded token class with expiration time and a username. Okay, we're almost finished with our client service component. There are two places we need to update. The first one is in the login method. We need to replace console log token and calling the this save token method. Another place we need to update is our constructor. We need to construct our decoded token variables in the constructor. So we're going to construct our decoded token either by getting the metadata from the local storage or creating a new decoded token. So all those methods we just created are going to be used in our header component. Okay, first let's make sure that the client auth service component is imported to our header component and make sure that it's public, it's not private, so we can use in our HTML file. Okay, first let's go to our header HTML file. I'm going to use ng container element to handle two situations. First one is for the guest. The next one is for the clients that is logged in. For username, we just needed to use the client auth service function get username, which has been imported into our header component already. Here I also add is authenticated method to the header to handle the situations. Also, let's update our sign up button in the header file as well. There are also two situations. One is when the client is not signed in, and another one is for logout. What we need to pay attention is that we add the is authenticated method into the ng container. Also for the logout button, we add the click event listener to use our logout method from the client auth service. Okay, that's all we need to do today. Let's go to our browser to check if the username and the logout button is showing after the user is logged in. We can see that our username and the logout button are working properly. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up. See you next time.